Hey, welcome to Ravi Positional Trades. In this video, I will show you how to build the chart I'm using for my personal strategy using Zerodha. If you have Zerodha account, I will show you exactly what indicators you need to add and what moving averages you need to use. And I will show you the similar chart setup using TradeView as well. Let us see first how to set up the charts in Zerodha, right? So, so if you have a Zerodha account, so you can add any of the symbols. I will show you one for HDFC Bank, right? So I'm using a 15-minute chart. I will just delete all the indicators. So we'll start from blank chart and do this, right? So I'm going to delete all of them. So this is the blank chart, right? So you get this is a candlestick chart. So you select candlesticks pattern on the chart, right? Let me zoom it a little bit. Okay. So we are selecting a candlestick, right? So this is the candlestick pattern, right? So our positional strategy. So this is the candlestick pattern, right? So we are I am following a super trend strategy. So we can select super trend, and for stocks we are doing like 15-minute time interval. So we select super trend, that is 7/3. This is the default super trend. Then we are adding a moving average, which is 100-day moving average exponential, right? Moving average, select it, right? So we are taking exponential moving average, which is much closer. Then we're taking 100-day moving average, right? And adding that. So this is the 100-day moving average. So this is the basic indicator, and we will be adding volume chart. See how the volume at the bottom, right? So regular standard volume chart we are adding here just to see the volume. Then we have like another indicator which will give you Williams percentage R. So this will give indication when there is a trend is turning from up to down to up, like that. If you see here, so when it is moving up, the trend is changing. When it's moving down, the trend is changing. So this will give an indication of how the trend is moving, right? So it will give some buying opportunities, right? So we're going to add Williams percentage R, and so these are the basic indicators you need for my positional strategy. And to give like I have like something called fractals. Like if we are in a longer trend, so we may get some entry points at different places. Suppose like so this is the positive trend, so you may get entry point here where it is bouncing from lows, right? Or you may get entry point here, like that. So if we add fractals, we get chances to re-enter the trend at multiple points. For that, we want to add a study called alligator, right? So we are adding an alligator, but we don't need, alligator has like 3 different symbols, but we don't need all that. So we just need a fractals. This is the show fractals, and we don't need those jars, right? So I'm going to, I will remove these things which we are not going to use them, right? I just need fractals from it, so that's why. So now you see there is up and down arrows, right? So whenever in the uptrend, so when you take a down arrow, like when a down arrow forms, you can buy it here. So when you're a downtrend, you can see an up arrow, then you can sell it second candle from the up arrow. Like that, you can catch the trends in between to make some more profits. So that is a fractal strategy. I will explain in more details. So these are the basic indicators you need to follow my positional strategy, and it's very simple to use. And so this way you don't complicate your trading strategy. It's easy to follow and make money with it. So as I showed you in previous videos, so you can expect like around 40% returns using this strategy by following this strategy and make money easily. So you may probably get like 1 or 2 trading chances in a day, and you don't need to worry about tracking like each and every minute. So there is also option of setting alerts in Zerodha. So I will show you that feature as well. So let me see if I can get that. Suppose if we take HDFC Bank, right? So if we click here, so there is option of set alert, right? So whenever you set an alert, right? So if you see like HDFC Bank is reversal level, now super trend is negative for HDFC Bank. So you want to set alert for when price reaches 1628, where your super trend gets positive and you may enter the trade. So you can just set an alert in Zerodha. Right, last traded price HDFC Bank is say equal to, what is the price, 1628, and you can say like HDFC ST level, right? Create. So you get an alert whenever HDFC Bank crosses this level. Then you can basically monitor this price point at that time, and if it goes above, super trend turns positive, you can enter the trade. So this is how you can manage the positions, and you don't need to keep tracking every 10 minutes, 15 minutes once you set the alert. So once you get the alert, you can just take action when the alert triggered. Right, that's how I do it. You can see like I created alerts for USD INR, Banknifty, Nifty here. So whenever there is an alert, you can just see what is the price at, and if what is the trend level, and then take a position. Right. So this is how you do it in Zerodha. So if you don't have any demat account, or you just want to do paper trading, you can use trading view. So I will show you how you can do the trading view freely. Use the trading view to do paper trading and follow this strategy. Now there is an application, free application called tradingview.in.com, where you can set up your charts. So it's actually free software. You can also do like you can track all the symbols here. So I will show you how to set up this chart in TradingView. So if you don't have a login, just sign up with your Gmail account. So I already have an account, so I'm just logging in. So this is the TradingView account. So we can track different charts, right? So you can go here, open the chart. So we can add the same symbols that we added in when I showed the Zerodha account here as well. So we'll select HDFC Bank, right? We're going to select HDFC Bank, okay. So this is the bank, and let us see what is the time frame. We are doing 5 minutes, so we want to go to 15 minutes. This is a candlestick pattern, right? Candles, right? Then we need indicators, right? So we need there's already, so we need super trend. This is super trend, okay. See, you get super trend, right? Super trend signal, and then you can add moving average. Just simple exponential moving average, right? So we got the moving average. We want to edit the settings. So we want 100 period, and you can set the style. We want it red color. Red color, we can increase the thickness, right? Then close. So this is the moving average that we are tracking, right? For the super trend. Then for fractals, we can directly add fractals. Let me see. Williams fractals. So this is the one we need to use. Okay, so this is not available in the free version. Okay, so fractals are already built in. You can see these up arrow and down arrow. So if you are in the positive trend, buy when there is a up arrow formed, right? You can buy it from a close of second candle from the up arrow, right? So these are the fractals that we are talking about. Then in the bottom, we can add your volume chart, right? This is the volume chart. This is already the volume chart. Then we do Williams percentage R. Right? So this is how you track here using trading view, right? You can set a chart, and now you can see the trend. Like if you want to see the Nifty Bank, Nifty 50, right? So Nifty 50 is in the downtrend, right? But it's right now it moved down and moved above the moving average, but is at downtrend right now, right? So we don't take any position for Nifty 50. This is how you use it, right? Set up your charts and use this. And so if you have any questions, put it in the comment section. So if you follow this simple strategy, you can easily make money around 40% using this positional strategy. This is how I do it, and I think this will help you to make some money in the stock market, right? If you have any questions, put it in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.